In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video backgrounds in WordPress with Elementor. To follow along, make sure you already have a WordPress site set up with the Elementor plugin installed and activated. You should also have a page ready that you want to work on, and a video link from YouTube, Vimeo, or another supported video host that you'd like to use as your background. Start by opening the Elementor editor for any page you want to edit. From your WordPress dashboard, go to your pages list, hover over the page you'd like to change, and click on the option to edit it with Elementor. This will open the visual editor where you can build and customize your layout. Once Elementor is open, look towards the top right area of the editor. You'll see a plus icon that lets you add new elements to your page. Click that plus icon to open the list of available widgets and layout elements. From here, choose the container element. Drag and drop this container into the part of the page where you want to have your video background. Next, click on the container you just added so it's selected. On top of the container, you'll see a small icon with two horizontal dots or ellipses. Click that to make sure the container settings are active in the left sidebar. In the sidebar, go to the Style tab. This is where you control how your container looks. Under the Style tab, find the Background section and click it to expand the options. Make sure the normal state is selected, since that's the default styling mode. In the background type options, you'll see different icons for classic, gradient, and so on. Click on the video camera icon to switch the background type to video. Now, a field will appear where you can paste a link to your video. This can be a YouTube link, a Vimeo link, or another supported video URL. Paste your video link into that field. After a moment, Elementor will load the video in the preview area, and you should see your container now displaying the video as its background. On the left panel, you'll also see additional settings, such as options to mute the video, loop it, or control when it starts and stops. Adjust these settings until the video behaves the way you want. When you're happy with how everything looks and works, go ahead and save your changes. Click the Update or Publish button at the bottom of the Elementor panel so your new video background is live on your page.